Hey guys, what's going on? It's Christina from Disrupt Ordinary and the Finally Visible Academy. And today I want to talk to you about the one software that will make your clients love you. Okay, so this software has drastically helped me in my business with my team to not only make my clients love me, but to make my day just so much easier overall. So it's one that I highly recommend. So before I get into it, I want to ask you a question. What is it that makes your clients the most angry at you? So maybe you're like, I've had 3 clients, Christina, they don't get angry at me, right? And if that's the case, that's fine. But if you have had clients in the past and they have given you any type of negative feedback, what has that feedback been? Because a lot of times I find that when I work with clients and they talk to me about the problems that their clients have with them, it's that they don't do things quickly enough. Or things get a little disorganized and they can't kind of stay on track, or that they lose things in the process, or their clients don't understand a part of that process, right? And if that's the case, what I'm going to tell you about is really going to help you to get organized and make it so that your clients really enjoy the entire process, okay? So we're talking today about a project management system that many of you might have heard, Trello. So if you haven't checked out Trello yet, Trello is a really great option for you when it comes to quite a few different things. So it'll make it so that you can literally streamline each and every day, okay? And I'm gonna go into a little bit, I'm gonna share my screen with you and show you just some different options that you can use Trello for to really streamline all of those activities that you have to do, all right? So let's get going. All right, so here we are. So guys, it's very important when you first get started with this that you kind of explore Trello a little bit and you see the different features. So I just want to show you just really quick. Here is a list. That's what these different columns are. So you could easily add a list, whatever it may be. Then you can go and add a card. So these are like different tasks. So we could say task 1, right? And we could add the card. And then if we go into the card itself, we can write a description of the task here. We can leave comments on the task. We can make a checklist. So this is actually a pretty cool feature. You can go in, you could say, okay, step 1 is do this, step 2 is do this, right? And make a checklist. And then as you finish the things, you can go and check them off. Now, also, you can set due dates on tasks, you can put labels in, and you can add different members, so different people you're working with or different people in your team, right? So this is definitely super useful when you're doing a lot of different things. So I just want to walk you through kind of a couple of different options that you have when using Trello and how they can kind of help you. All right, so this board that we're on, this is a simple project management board. So when we talked about getting your clients to love you, a lot of the issue is that things just aren't organized. You're not really keeping track properly of your different clients, the different tasks that you have for them, what you need to do, and you're not getting it all done efficiently and on time. So if that's the case, making a simple Trello board like this is super easy. So literally in here we have weekly to-dos. So you'll see, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you can set all the different to-dos as checklist items, right? Then you have monthly to-dos. So if you want to do this, say I want to double check my Instagram links every month, whatever it is. I want to clean up my inbox, write my client reports, and make new social media content. So I can set due dates on these. And then each month it will remind me, okay, Christina, go in and do these different things. I can do them. And then when I'm done with them, I can simply take this and I can drag it over. So I can say, okay, this is in progress right now, I'm doing it. Or I can say, okay, this is done, right? If you want to remove lists, you can go in, you can easily archive them so you don't have to look at them anymore. And it's just a super easy way to keep track of things. Now, even one-time to-dos. So every time I have a random thing that I want to do, I can go to the Trello app on my phone and I can literally just add it in as a one-time task that I have to do, right? So I need to run reports for Marianne. I don't want to forget. So I pull out my phone, I go on my Trello app, I just throw it in here real quick, and then I can go and I can see it in here. And as I'm working on it, again, I can move it over. So guys, it just makes it really easy and you can keep everything all in one place, right? So on this card, if I want to keep track of this report, I can go over here to attachment and I can literally pick the attachment from my computer and I can upload it here. So now I have the reports all in one place. I know that I did it and everything is where I need it to be, right? So project management is definitely something I would recommend doing in Trello, but there's other cool features as well. So I just want to walk you through a couple of different things that I did here. So a CRM system. Now, a lot of people use HubSpot or Salesforce or different CRM systems. And if you do, that's totally fine. You can absolutely keep it separate. If right now you don't have any type of CRM system, it may be a good idea for you to do it in Trello because it's super, super easy. And again, you can keep track of everything. So every time I have a prospect in the queue, maybe I put them down here and I can write different things too. I can write, their contact information in here. I can write, anything about them. Maybe I even set, something on my checklist that's like, oh, go ahead and call them again on this date, whatever it may be, right? So I could put all these people in here and then as they go through my kind of sales funnel here, I can move them. So, okay, Jane Doe reaches out to me and she says, okay, you know what? I'm interested in what you're selling. Go ahead, send me a proposal. So I send her a proposal and then I move her here. So now every time I go in here, I know, okay, that's where Jane Doe is right now. I sent her a proposal, right? Then, say she says, okay, I'm in, send me the contract, send it here. Then if she says, okay, I signed the contract, good, it's done, put it here. Then send over some onboarding info, right? And then there you go, you won the client. Or, you can keep track of lost clients too. So that way, okay, you don't have 15 people in your pipeline. Maybe you have 3 or 4 or 5. It's a really, really easy way to keep track of it all. All right. Now, another way to do it is with the content that you create each month. Okay. So this is something that we go over a lot in our Finally Visible Academy. But here, just as an example, here's some different posts that maybe I'm making for Disrupt Ordinary, okay? So I could see that, these posts aren't loading real quick, but if I just reload the page, I could see that there's different posts in here. They're all for different times, and I have them all in one place. So I have all my resources on the left here. So if I need a different logo, if I need my colors, my social URLs, any restrictions I have, all this different stuff that goes into here. And then guys, you can literally go, you could put your caption here, you could attach your image and you're good to go. You have everything all in one place. And if you are interested in this, definitely check out our Finally Visible Academy because we'll show you how to do this all in a super easy way and schedule it all out. All right. Now, just one last thing, if you have blog content, it could also be a great thing to utilize Trello for, all right? So we have our Google ranking tool that we use inside the Academy. It'll show you different things that you need to set up your SEO. And then say you have different pages that you want to optimize, right? We can go in here and we can say, okay, my homepage. And then we could put the URL, we could put the main goal of the page, and we can go and we could check all these things off until it's optimized. And then we can say, okay, great, my page has been optimized. All right. So you could do this with regular pages or you could do it with blog posts, right? So if I have, a new blog post with a different title, go in here, change it all, and I know it's good to go. All right. So guys, I just wanted to walk through this quickly with you and show you some of the different options that Trello has. And if you haven't checked it out, definitely do. It is free. Okay. Okay guys, so I hope that helped you. I hope you check out Trello. Like I said, it's free, it's easy, and it could help you do so many different things to stay on track. All right. And if you want some awesome Trello templates that are going to make this even easier for you, definitely check out the Finally Visible Academy. It's our monthly membership, and we have templates in there that are going to help you with blogging. They're going to help you with social media, email, and a whole lot more. All right. Now guys, if you do want to work with someone one-on-one, definitely look into our agency, Disrupt Ordinary Marketing. And guys, as always, if you like this video, if you found it valuable, if it's helping you out, definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.